Hello, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel where we are going to discuss how to make money easily and happily, right? So, my name is RG and I will be discussing on the currency pairs. Yes, I love this currency pairs because one, it gives lot of easy money to us, and second, they are not they don't follow one news or the other. Okay, and they just don't follow one direction. That's the best part of the currency pair. So before that, let me tell you one thing, that this channel is going to discuss about various strategies and ideas about trading in currency pairs. Okay, so we will be discussing on the AUD-USD, Euro-USD, and GBP-USD. Okay, so I hope all my international friends are going to get a lot of value from these videos, because this is the first video of my channel and I want you to share your comments and subscribe my channel so that it will increase my enthusiasm and I can share many things. I am trading on this currency pair since last almost 5 years, and I gain a lot of knowledge and I know certain hidden things about these currency pairs, and these are the very hidden things which nobody is going to tell you. Okay, so I want you to take full advantage of this and learn from it and make handsome money with me. So I welcome you to my YouTube channel, Make Money with RG. Okay, so day before yesterday, or like on 4th of April, there was a huge candle on the AUD-USD chart. It fell almost 5.5%, more than 5%, right? And every candle, like be it a 15-minute candle or 30-minute, 1 hour, whatever you follow, every candle was going down. It was like everybody just wanted to sell, and those who bought were in such a huge panic that they also become, whatever they have already bought, they were also selling. Some buyers, they were getting, and it was just because of hope that there will be some rebound, right? But nothing like that happened, and at the end of the day we saw almost 5% decline and huge red candle. Now my topic for today's video is why there was a huge red candle, or why there was a 5% drop on 4th of April 2025. Okay, so please stay tuned, and if you have not subscribed to my channel so far, please do that, because as I said, it will encourage me to give you new ideas, share a lot of new things every day. Okay, so what happened? Let's go before this. Okay, day. What was happening? I just kept this Bollinger Band open so far, right? And this RSI I have kept open. What was happening before this day? It was certain kind of a sideways movement. You can see it was like almost moving in this triangle. Basically, let me draw a triangle for you. It was almost moving in this triangle, right? And there was a big low on 3rd of February, but it was a quick recovery, right? So one thing I must say, that these currency pairs follow the price action very systematically. Okay. Now, what happened on that day, 2nd of April? And I know only few smart traders might have uh, gained huge money. Why I'm saying very few? Because it's not easy to gain so much. Those who just applied the trailing stop losses, just went behind candle by candle, they might have earned a huge profit. Okay, so I will just I will just show you couple of things which will blow your mind, and whatever you are going to watch now, it will just open your eyes wide. Okay, if you are if you want to be comfortable, you can listen to this video in 1.5x or 2x speed. It's absolutely okay, it's up to you. So I have a habit of marking the trend lines, and I use the tops. Okay, I do not hesitate to pick the tops. So I will just pick the high, which was on somewhere on 30th September, and then I pick the next high. Okay, so this was the trending line. Now, if you know, the trending line should be somewhere around 30 to 45%. Please take a note of this. If you don't know, if you know that nothing like that, this doesn't seem to be a 45-degree or 30 to 45-degree trend line, right? So when I'm saying 30 to 45-degree, let me quickly tell you, when it's a downtrend, what I mean by 30 to 45-degree is this angle. Okay. So this seem to me is more than 45-degree, right? So I was not much comfortable, but still I was taking small positions. Okay. Now what happened is, I also follow one more thing which you can note down is I shift the trend line to so that it goes towards the 45-degree, right? So there was the second high, so I updated my trend line. You can see there was a big move, but it come again and broke this trend line. Then what I did is I shifted my trend line from here to here and then here. Okay, still, you know, for some time it followed that, but it again broke that trend line, right? So I shifted it to this top. Now, if you see that this looks to be a perfect trend line, right? It seems like between 30 to 45-degree, right? So what happened on that day? There was this tariff declaration from the President of United States, and there was a big up move on that day, right? Initially it went down, but then it recovered and it went up and up and up. In this scenario, let me zoom in a bit. In this scenario, everybody felt that the market is going to go up, right? And there were huge buyers on that day. If you see, by the end of the day, I will just shift it to last hour, okay? By the end of the day, right, somewhere when the US market opens, like around, 8:30 in the night, India time, it started going down, right? Now, this was the last 4 hours of the day when it started dropping. There were some sellers already in this, but very few they might have exited because it was the trend line was still up on the 1 hourly chart, and it was changing to go upward on the 4 hourly chart, right? So everybody was thinking that the market will go up. But what happened on the day chart is it managed to close below the trend line. Okay, now whoever has picked this might have gained a lot. Okay, because the next day was a big move because it didn't even break this trend line. Can you see that? Right? Surprise? Please be ready to listen one more surprise. Okay? Because this is the only thing which you will think that, yeah, this is the only thing how can one capture, but the magic of trending line, it doesn't stop here. Have you heard any time before that we can also draw trend lines on the RSI? Surprised? If you are surprised, please don't be, because we can also draw trend lines on the RSIs. Now, when I'm drawing this, imagine that, let me go back. Let me go back again on this candle. Okay. Now, what happened on that day is, let me draw this trend line here on this RSI. Okay. So, I'm picking it approximately here, but kindly bear with me. I'll make it large. Please excuse me for my English if you don't like it, but the knowledge is important rather than all these things, right? So, if you see, I am on this day, right? I am on this day, 3rd of April, right? So, it managed to stop below this trend line as well. And there is a rule of trend line that any third point, okay, it has to touch 3 points. At least that's what I follow. That's what it did, right? And whoever has picked this 1, 2, and 3, it managed to stop below this trend line on RSI. It also managed to stop below this trend line on the candle chart, right? Now, here is the magic. See, it went straight below the um, 40% RSI level, and there from there it went all the way down, right? So if we go to the 15 minutes time frame on that day, which was 4th of April, everything started somewhere here. Let me zoom it properly. Oh, it's already, if you see here, 4th of April, somewhere in the morning when the Australian markets open, everybody started selling. Candle by candle, everything was going down. Everything was going down. As soon as the European market opened, everything was going down, 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 down. Right? It was not even breaking the, previous two candles high. Right? If you see here, here. So, what I want you to understand is it is not difficult to capture such big moves. It is not difficult to get so much profit. It's just that you keep your eyes wide open, right? To capture such things. And I'm sure, as all the big people say, that history repeats itself. I know that this will have added a lot of value to you, and going forward, you will start capturing these trends already. Okay, so I hope you liked my video and all these observations. So every day I will share new things. Today I wanted to discuss this because this is a big move on AUD-USD. So in my every video, I will guarantee you that you will get something new. Okay, so stay tuned and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, subscribe my channel, and post some comments. I want your observations, comments, and please don't ask like how much I earned, because I may not be able to disclose that. But for sure, I will be answering your questions in the comments. Okay, so please be patient, for the responses, but I will surely come back. Thank you so much and have a great day.